welcome everybody to our density cylinder lab. Joel and I are going to make a density cylinder. We found this vase, I think, that we're going to fill up with various fluids here, and Joel's going to tell us all the stuff that we found. What do we have, Joel?
Syrup.
For your pancakes.
Corn syrup.
Not for your pancakes.
Honey.
Good.
Soy sauce.
That one was not on your list, but you could use it.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil, good.
Yeah. Olive oil.
Olive oil, and one more thing over there.
It is dish soap.
Dish soap. Nice. Okay, so we're going to layer these up. So the first thing we want to do, Joel, is try to figure out which one, when we put it in here, which one do you think is going to sink to the bottom? Maybe you want to look at them a little bit and see how they move. See how the soy sauce flows around really easy.
Yeah.
The vegetable oil, not quite as easy as the soy sauce, but it does move a little bit.
What about this one?
That stuff's pretty thick. Syrup's got a high viscosity, and this honey barely moves at all. Our olive oil, ooh, that's pretty splashy. How about that dish soap?
Easy.
Not quite like water, but pretty easy. How about this stuff, this corn syrup?
Cool.
Does it move real easy or real
I
slow?
think this one would be the best.
You think that one's going to go to the bottom?
Soy sauce.
Why? Why do you think soy sauce is going to go to the bottom?
Because it's really easy to move around.
Okay. If you had to guess which one of these liquids was the heaviest?
Heaviest?
Yeah.
I would guess this one.
You think syrup?
Yeah, this is kind of...
Wait
Wait a second. Yep, this one's heavier.
You think that one is? Well, be careful because some might have more in it. So they might be heavier for that reason. Think about what a rock does. If you throw a rock in our pool, what would it do?
Sink.
Because it's heavy, right?
Yeah, this
even
is the heaviest.
even a small rock would still sink in the pool. Okay, now don't forget that it's not just about how heavy the bottle is. You got to think about how heavy the liquid is.
Yeah, these two are about the same, so probably one of these.
All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to see how well this works out. But we're going to pour them into our vase here, and one at a time, and see what layers we can get. So which one do you think is going to be the lowest, Joel?
You might want to watch the camera because sometimes it turns off when you're video.
This one's going to be fine.
Oh.
Thanks for the tip. Which one do you think is going to be at the bottom? Which one should we put in first?
I think
That
the syrup.
Vegetable oil?
Yeah.
Syrup.
You think it's going to be the syrup, Isaac? Okay. We're going to try vegetable oil first. Okay.
So how much?
We're gonna-
That?
Yeah, we just want to do a little bit. We're just doing a little itty bitty layer
Oh,
here.
so that's what the dots are there for?
No, I don't think so, but we can use them that way.
Done?
Right there. Yeah. Ooh, that's perfect. That's good.
Perfect.
All right, so there's our vegetable oil. We got that in.
So
Okay.
now the next
What's the
heaviest?
second heaviest?
This one.
Isaac thought the syrup was going to be the heaviest, so Joel thinks that's next.
When I weighed those two, they were about the same. But
All
I
right,
think
but
this
remember that these are really full. Think about the soy sauce doesn't have that much in it, and this is also a glass bottle, so that makes a difference too.
one-
Okay, can you get
Can
that
you
open?
open that? It's really hard.
All right, now we want to pour it in very carefully. We're going to let it go down the side here so that it doesn't splash into the
Okay,
bottom.
that one.
I'll tell you when. We just need a little bit of a layer. Squeeze. Stop.
It's syrup.
We got syrup. Okay,
It
make sure that they can see behind you, Isaac.
I
They can't see behind you. Okay, they did not mix. Look very carefully at that. Isaac, can
They
you get back
didn't
up?
mix. The syrup went at the bottom. If you
Yeah,
can see.
that syrup is definitely at the bottom. And the vegetable oil is on top. So right now, here's what we're going to do.
That.
We're going to organize
I know
this.
something.
1 second, Isaac. We're going to organize this according to the layers that we're seeing. So let's see if we can keep these maybe right over here. Right now, the syrup is on the bottom, and the vegetable oil is right above it. So we're going to put them in that
Can I
order.
tell it now?
Yeah, Isaac, what do you want to tell us?
I see some of this right here.
Oh, maybe. No, well, there's also, that's just thick glass on the bottom, I think. I think that's just glass. No liquid ever goes to the very, very bottom.
Yeah, somewhere.
Okay, you guys scooch back a little bit, Isaac, so the students can see. All right, Joel, what's going to be next? We got all these things left. Here's all our things we have left. We have soy sauce, corn syrup, honey, dish soap, and we have olive oil.
I
Which
think
one
it's
do you think?
honey.
You think honey? Okay, so we've got syrup and vegetable oil in, and right now our syrup is at the bottom, and now we're gonna put some honey.
I'm not sure this will go now.
Okay, let's try to get it to go down the side.
It's coming in.
Is it going?
In.
It's going all the way down? Oh, that one blob went down into the syrup.
All the way down.
Is it sinking underneath the syrup?
It would take a better view like this.
Yeah, let's show what's happening here. Looks like that honey might be sinking to the bottom. All right, we're gonna let that keep sinking, see what happens to it. So right now we're thinking the honey might be even beneath.
Yeah, I
The
barely
syrup.
see it. It might just be
Okay,
in there. And
we'll just let that keep going. We'll see what happens. What are we gonna do with these guys? Which one's next?
Oh wait, remember where did you? Didn't you say that had to go in order?
No, because well, that is the order. That is the order, buddy. If it's on the bottom.
Oh, that one in the bottom.
Okay, which one's next?
Soy sauce.
All right. This is probably the most liquidy one.
So this one might not sink at all.
All right, so be very careful here. This might go up pretty quick. Oh, let's get that little dribble. Oh, you know what? We can. I guess we'll just leave that little cap on there.
Okay.
There's a little dribble cap on there so it doesn't come out so fast. Can you tell where it's going right now, Joel?
Right now it is right on top of the syrup.
Is it going underneath the vegetable oil?
Yes, right now it's sitting on top of the syrup in the vegetable oil.
Is there a good layer there?
Yep. No.
Oh yeah. The syrup and the soy sauce have a similar color. The soy sauce is a little bit darker.
Wait.
So let's see if we can get a little more of this so it's more obvious where it is. Ooh, okay. Put that cap back on. All right, so we've got that soy sauce in there now. And you can maybe get a better look at our honey too. Oh yeah, our honey is sinking right to the bottom. And you can see the soy sauce there right above the syrup and underneath the vegetable oil. So that means
So this one goes
right there, right? All right, we got 3 more. Which one's next? Olive oil, dish soap, or corn syrup?
corn syrup.
Corn syrup. This stuff's pretty thick too.
Yeah.
And this
So
one,
this one will kind of be like the honey.
I don't know. You think it's gonna go to the bottom because it's so thick?
I don't know. Probably, maybe.
Let's find out. This is you can pour it, but that's got a big opening, so be careful.
Yeah.
But it also goes real slow, so.
How's that?
That's good. That's perfect. Good job.
I can spill them.
That's okay. Here, I'll get you a
I need
napkin.
napkin.
Uh-oh, where did it go? Is it down there in the syrup?
If you can see, you can barely even see it in the container.
Yeah, it's so clear. Here you go.
Thanks.
Let's see. Where is it? Oh yeah, I see it down there. It's in this. Oh, it might be going underneath the syrup.
Underneath it.
Yeah, we'll maybe put a little more of this.
That would be super cool. But not underneath that. Honey.
I don't think so. No.
Honey.
I look close here.
Heavy.
Blobs. Look at all those blobs
If
in
you
there.
don't even know, there's still honey coming down from the side.
Uh-huh, there is. You're right. I think the honey is still at the bottom. And I think the corn syrup went under the syrup.
Under the syrup?
Yep.
So that means you can scooch these back and put that one there.
Yep, I got it.
Oh.
All right, what's next? Olive oil or dish soap?
Olive oil.
Yikes, this is sticky.
It is.
Wow, all the stuff we've been pouring is. All right, that's got a big opening on it, so be careful when you pour it in.
There's
Yeah, it might help a little bit, so go slow. Good, 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 good.
there.
Oh, where's the olive oil?
Yeah, we can barely see it. It's right there.
Yeah, if you look on the side, you can see pretty easy. Where is it, Joel?
It's right above the vegetable oil.
Yeah, it's on top, isn't it?
Yeah,
Okay, let's show that. Where's it gonna go in our line?
right here.
Are you sure?
No, wait, like this.
Yep. Because olive oil's on top, so that's right. Let's make sure they can see the olive
So
oil.
this is the
All right, last one.
last one.
Where do you think the dish soap's gonna go?
On the top.
On the very top?
Yeah.
All right. Pour it right on the side.
On the side, then it
Well,
will
on the
take
edge.
forever like the honey.
Oh no, that's going right in there.
Oh.
We got some similar colors in there. Can you see where it is?
I think it went on the top, just like I predicted.
I think that's the olive oil. What about this yellow layer right there?
Oh no, that's the dish oil.
That's the dish soap.
So that means this can go here.
Well, what's this clear layer right there?
That's
Clearish. No, I should say clearish. It's not totally clear.
Oh.
Look at right here. This is our olive oil. This is our vegetable oil, and then the next yellow. That's our dish soap.
The dish soap.
So dish soap goes right above the soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
So dish soap needs to go right here, and olive oil needs to go right there.
So olive oil goes on the top.